And welcome back, Real Man's Garage. We're outside between rainstorms. We've got the Ruko U11Mini 4K and the RC3 from Ruko. It's got its own app. It's called the U11 Ruko iPad, and it's version 2.6.3. New version just came out, and we've taken off beginner mode. Beginner mode, you get 30 meters up, 30 meters out kind of thing, so it's kind of a weird thing. Take that off, you get the full 6 kilometers or whatever you want, right? Just like up here, we put this in here, and you turn that off and you get 6K. Okay, there we go. Okay, we have either 4K at 30 or 1080p at 60 frames per second on the SD card that we have in there, and a 48 or 12 megapixel image, and we'll get to that a little later. It caches them on board. The only thing with this one, you cannot plug it into your PC. You have to go from my SD card to your computer. So if you put an SD card in here, you have to transfer the files over to that, and then from there into your PC. It's just a charging port. That's all this one is a charging port. That's it. 5.5-inch screen, 720p video transmission from the drone to here on a 1080p HD display. Not too bad. Normal stuff too. Customized buttons on the back you can do in the app. You've got a speed control, you've got cruise control, return to home and pause, power button, photo, video, tilt, and a zoom. Okay, antennas are up. Let's get it going. We're going to go for the video. Let's get this thing going. And I'm just going to go down and in and up. There it is. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. A little bit of wind here and there, but not too bad. I did a compass calibration yesterday, so maybe I can do another one, but it's doing pretty good. Let's start that video. Okay, here we go. Push the button. Got it going there. Okay, let's go forward and up. There we go. So it's up about 30 meters. Okay, because we're taking a video, I'm going to go into this map here, and I'm going to look at this. And we can see, there we go. We can see where we're going now. Okay, let's go forward. Let's just go around a little bit. There we go. We're going to go over the lake here. Over this little pond. Look down. The pond over there. Oh, go this way. There we go. Come up a bit. There we go. And we'll go forward. We're just outside of this. There we go. We won't go too far. We'll keep on going. Outside the ring of, I guess that's 300 meters? Yep, just about. We're breaking the barrier. Oh, wow. Okay. Now we're going to do a return to home. See what happens there. Okay, return to home. Remember, if you zoom, the zoom is only good on the cache file. The zoom is no good on the actual video. Yeah. But it's a nice little controller. It reminds me just of the RC2. Really? Yeah. Not quite as bright. It's about a 400 or 500 nit, not a 700. And it's coming back somewhere. There it is. You can see it coming back. And we'll have this imposed on the video. The video is still going. Come back, take some pictures. And that's the first flight. I'll show you a whole bunch of other stuff on here, but really it's all gimmicky stuff. So this is just an introduction to the RC3 from Ruko. Okay, here it comes. Boom. And I can stop at any time if it's way out of whack. It's right above me. It should be coming down now. It's not too bad. It's off a couple of meters, but that's okay. Turned around and come down. Yeah, it's a little bit, but it's only off about maybe 3 meters. Not even that. And comes down. And comes down. There it is. There it is. Okay. It's not too bad. Okay, let's go forward a bit. Turn around. We're going to go slow mode. Turn it around. We're going to juice so we can take a picture. Stop that video. Okay, get out of here. There we go. And look at us. We'll go up a little bit. There we go. And we'll stop that video. Over and we'll take a picture. There we go. Blues might be a little bit too blue, but we'll wait and see what happens with that. Okay, there we go. Let's take one of the truck because that's what we do. See what that looks like. You get the whole truck in. There we go. Oh, the big rust bucket that it is. There we go. It's seen better days, that's for sure. But that's about it there. Okay, and if I touch this button here, this lists all the stuff it can do. They're very gimmicky, okay? The zoom is okay. The GPS follow is really good, I like that. The circle is good. You pick a circle and then you can back it out as far as you want. Okay, that's good. The filters only work on the cache, but there you go, okay? So maybe we'll go up and we'll do a quick circle. Okay, go back out here and we'll start that video again. There we go. And we'll go forward and up. We'll go up 30 meters. $35 or so. There we go. Okay, and we'll face in this way. Okay. And we'll go circle. We'll come down a bit. That's because we're in that mode. Let's go normal mode. And it comes down a lot faster. There we go. Okay. There we go. And we go over here and we go circle mode, point of interest, and go. And we can back it out. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. There it is. There we go. We go up. Okay. What's going around? We can go faster. The other way. And faster. There we go. And if we go around, yeah, there we go. See? Goes around. Awesome. Let's stop that. I was looking out instead of in, but anyway, stop going around. So let's look at this. Let's go this way. And we're going to go circle mode. There we go. See what happens this one. Circle. Boom. There we go. It looks outward. Just look at it. There we go. There we go. A wider angle, looking inward. Wider. There we go. It goes around. There we go. So not too bad. Not too bad. Does that very well. I did like it. I'd like it going around a water tower. It's pretty good. And there we go. You can bring it up and down with the gimbal. Okay. Gimbal's not as accurate as you like it, but it's class as a budget drone, remember that. Okay, so we're going to stop that. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to get okay, here we go. I want to go up. And I want to take a picture there. Stop. Boom. And a picture. Boom. There we go. And we're going to come home. And that should just about do it. There we go. Okay. Let's come on home. Start the video. And come home. Normal. Pretty fast. Pretty fast. 9 meters per second. That is pretty fast. What sport mode does. Oh, it's coming down because we're out of battery. It's coming down. There we go. It's coming. That's one way of doing it, isn't it? Okay, so we got the Ruko pair. Okay, we've got the Ruko U11Mini 4K, and we've got the RC3. Did a really good job. There's lots of other things you could do with it too. Let's put this away, and I'll talk about that for a second. Okay, seeing as we're just talking about the Ruko here, okay, the RC, let's go back to the beginning. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. We've still got the, yeah, it's still running. Okay, go back to the beginning here. Okay, what I've done is I've done that. Okay, it's basically a miniature tablet. It can do everything. You can actually look at this. Okay, what's this? Okay, over here in edit. Okay, you can go down here and you see it says, well, there it is. Okay, screencast. Okay, I've already put it up there. Screencast is up there. See that? So screencast. You can put screencast. Go to a TV. Okay. What I've done here, I've put my own logo on it. What I've also done, then it makes it like this. I've got file manager on there, so then I can move my files around a lot easier. Okay. But one thing you do not want to do, okay, you do not want to sign into your Google account. When it does updates, go to the bottom and say as a guest. Okay, same as Play Store. Do not sign into Play Store with your account, because it does something weird with Google services and it messes up the map in the Ruko app. Okay, so Google Maps kind of messes up that way. But if you don't do that, it works fine, as you saw, just fine. Okay, great. So that's, but you can, and there's another one called screen copy. You can do screen copy to your laptop or your desktop. All kinds of things you can do. Okay, I don't advise you do that, but you can do it because it's an open Android, really, for all intents and purposes. 99% of it, it's open. You can do whatever you want with a phone pretty well, except it's only a charge port. It's not an OTG data cable port. Anyway, okay, so that's it. And you go back to that, and we're back to my logo again. Okay, and if I want to go back to my thing, Ruko, there's my Ruko. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to go back down here, and I stop. There we go. So then, if I want to go back, If I want to go back to my file manager, okay, and I want to go to my videos, okay, then I've got some videos here, movies, videos. I've also got screen recordings somewhere. Main screen recordings are somewhere in movies. Screen recordings. Okay, there we go. Poof. And I can play it. That's my screen recording. Okay, that we did. But there's no audio. You cannot put audio into it. But here, and we go all the way through. There we go. Okay. And that was it landing, I guess. There it is. Okay. All that kind of stuff. Works fine. Out. And then you can also do YouTube. You can also go Facebook. You can do anything you want. Don't advise you do, but you can. Okay. So that's the Ruko RC3. Okay, sorry, get back to the main page. Ruko RC3. It's a pretty good little piece of kit. It really is. Okay. I'm trying to get a price on it for you for a single unit. It only operates the U11 4K right now. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty good. And we've got the screen all the way up there. That's as bright as it goes. It's overcast. It's pretty good in the hand. It's a nice size. It's awesome. Okay, there you go. So play around with it. I played around with it for days and days and days. I had all kinds of problems with the Google sign-in and stuff, and with the updates, and got all messed up, and it did all kind of weird things to the flights and everything. But once I got it figured out, the best thing is don't touch anything. Just go as a guest, sign in, do the updates, get out. Don't worry about the customization of it, because the customization of it is just gonna, you know, mess you right up. But that's what I do. Okay, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee or something, and let's see what else this thing will do. Okay, bye now.